10 Great Gifts for a Sweet 16. Some might think that giving your daughter a promise ring is too overbearing. However, a promise ring can mean more than the promise to save yourself until marriage. It could also be a promise to go to college or do well in school. It could be a promise to always cherish family. Maybe it's a promise to never drink and drive. Make a promise ring something special for your family. For a Sweet 16 memory book to be extremely sentimental, you could start it from the day your daughter was born. Collect photos, mementos, and tokens from important phases of her childhood. 16 is a great age to pass off these memories from the younger years. This gift could be in the form of a memory book, photo album, or even a video. When you turn 16, chances are your access to cash is more limited than your desire to do all sorts of activities that cost money. Even if your daughter or loved one has a part-time job, she'll definitely appreciate a little extra cash in her pocket for movies and going out with friends. One of the more expected Sweet 16 gifts for well-to-do families is a car, but in most states, teens are just learning to drive at 16. Save the car for the 18th birthday or skip it altogether and get your loved one some practical driving lessons instead. Pair that with a gas card that your teen can use in the family car for a completely practical gift that will save your sanity. The bedroom is a haven for any teenager, especially when most other rooms in the house are shared with their parents. Help a 16-year-old make their room their own by gifting them some on-trend home decor items. Hammock chairs, pendant lighting, and floor pillows will help transform a room into a cozy hangout spot. 16 is an age where most teens are mature enough to handle some time away from their parents. Let them. Schools sometimes offer study abroad programs for the summer, where your teen could spend a few weeks in the summer learning about another culture firsthand. An experience like this could be very formative and life-changing. Birthstone jewelry isn't only for mothers. Invest in a timeless piece of jewelry using your teen's birthstone. Just be sure you talk with your teen about how to care for fine jewelry. Since it's more expensive and will last longer, make sure they understand that it's not just a piece of costume jewelry they can lose in their gym bag. Some of the most memorable gifts for a 16th birthday involve time spent with friends. 16-year-olds are on the brink of being adults, but they are still adolescents. Creating an adult-inspired getaway is a great gift idea. The teen can spend with their friends while still enjoying the mostly stress-free perks of being a kid. Personalized jewelry is very popular among teens and is an affordable way to gift a piece of jewelry. Custom jewelry can be purchased in precious metals or base metals, depending on your budget. If you're really on a budget, we recommend gold-plated jewelry. In the past, 16 was an age where a girl would receive her first pager or cell phone. Now it seems children get their hands on electronics at a much younger age. If your family has a strict no-phone policy, perhaps 16 is a mature enough age for an introduction to a smartphone. If your teen already has a phone, upgrade to the most recent model. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.